So this is going to be a really quick video because just before Christmas, I think probably November actually, we ran a competition giveaway for the BetaFPV Analog Aquila 20 kit. So you've got a drone, you've got goggles, you've got a controller, you've got 2 batteries and stuff basically to do stuff with. And I promised to draw it on Christmas Day. I couldn't because I promised to draw it live on Christmas Day, and I've had nothing but issues with my connection ever since. So I'm still having trouble with it. So what I'm going to do is I've got my phone here, and I'm actually going to record my phone doing the giveaway to try and keep it as transparent as possible. So let's see how well this works. It won't be a very long video, but keep watching till the end, because if you don't, you might win. And if you don't contact me within 48 hours of me announcing it, then I'll have to draw it again. And we know how that went last year when we had to do about 6 draws to give something away. So watch till the end, see if you've won. And the winner is the Potter's Drone. Drop me an email at team@squadquads.co.uk with your details, and we will get this drone kit out to you as quick as we possibly can. Okay, so I think that was probably the fairest way of doing it, or the fairest way that I had of doing it at any one moment in time. I'd like to congratulate everybody, or I'd like to commiserate everybody who entered but didn't win, and congratulate our winner, Potter's Drone. My email is team@squadquads.co.uk. You've got 48 hours from when this video goes live to contact me, to drop your email. I'll ask you to leave a comment on a video just to confirm that I know it's you that I'm talking to. Once you've done that, we can find out your shipping address and we'll get everything out to you, so on and so forth. All I ask, if you can, when you use it, is just send us a quick video or a quick photo of you doing it, and we can add it to our winners wall, because I'm hoping to do one of these giveaways every month in 2026, and hopefully we can ramp it up to more than one, but we'll aim for 1 a month at the minute, and we'll take it from there. Got any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Commiserations everybody else. Congratulations, Potter's Drone. Until next time, you've been amazing. Peace.